Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a Nerf war. Not really a Nerf war, Nerf practice. I got two new guns. First, this one. I'm not really sure what it's called. It's Elite Retaliator. I also got this Star Wars one right here. I'm going to be trying out both of them with a big pack of bullets and more inside of here. Well, you can see inside of this thing, there's loads more bullets. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a shooting range. So let's see how good I am. Okay guys, you see this black target right over there? There's a black target right, I can't really point at it, right behind me. And that is what I'm going to be shooting. So, I hope I can hit it perfectly. First, I am going to be using this Elite, I forget the name again, Retaliator. Let's see if I can shoot this. Oh yeah, I'm also aiming right for the middle. Right there. So, I hope I can hit that. So, I'm going to let you guys see the gun as if I'm in first person. Oh, darn, I didn't even load. Do I even have bullets in here? Yes. Sorry. First person shot. What? Who cares? No shot. No matter. I think there's something wrong with the gun. I think I'm going to move on to the next gun. Here's the next gun, the Star Wars shooter. Let's see if I can hit it and it will look like first person to you guys. Close. There, finally. So yeah, these are going to be the two weapons. I'm going to go get another one, and it's a surprise Star Wars one. Alright guys, here it is. Han Solo's gun, but blue. I'm going to try to hit it. So, first person shooting. So, let's see. Close. Oh. Yeah, sometimes the gun doesn't actually completely work, which really sucks. I'm going to try to make it work. Well, there you go, guys. That's this video, and hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a like if you want me to do a Nerf battle. I'll be doing it against my brother, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Nerf War.